In this video, we'll be talking about methods for doing mental math. Your textbook calls mental math the process of producing an answer to a computation without using computation aids. That just means doing math in your head. So the first method is to add from left to right. Well, this is the same as the left to right model, just in your head. So again, we're going to start off with the 50 because we're starting at the left, the 50 and the 30, and add those together and get 80. And then 8 plus 6 is 14, and then we add those and get 94. The next one, again, we're going to do it mentally. So 20 plus 30 gives me 50. 2 plus 9 gives me 11. Added together, that will give me 61. The way you would display it if you're would be like this. So that's what I want you to do for number 3. Display what you would actually be doing in your head to turn in for class. The next one is called breaking up and bridging. In this case, we're going to break up the numbers and add the parts, then bridge from one number to the next. So what that means is I'm going to look at the 17 and the 68. First, I'm going to break up my 60 into 60 and 8 in my head. And I'm just going to add the 17 and the 60 to get 77. Then I'll add the 8 to get 85. You could have broken that up differently. Instead of breaking up the 68, you could then break up the 17. So if I break up the 17, I would have 10 plus 68 and then add my 7. So I broke up the 17 in that way. Notice I still get 85. You can also use breaking and bridging for subtraction. So I have 98 minus 47. This time I'm going to break up my 47 into 40 and 7. So first I'm going to subtract my 40 and then I'm going to subtract my 7 and get 51. Again, I want you to show me the steps for the numbers 2 and 4 in class. And then the last method is called dropping the zeros, and it's exactly what you would think. We're going to drop the zeros off and just add the 94 and the 32. We have a lot of different ways to add 94 and 32. I'm using the left to right method. So I've got 120 plus 6, so I've got 126. Then you add your zeros at the end. And I'd like you to do number 2 and turn it in for class.